All right. Let's get this posted here. All right, so we do have some sympathy momentum from yesterday. HOLO made a very nice move as we were covering in the recap yesterday, from $1.59 a share all the way up to $51 a share. In after hours, crazy move, absolutely crazy. One of the craziest moves I've seen in a long time. So this is 2,700 or something, 2,700% from bottom to top on HOLO. And of course, naturally, when you get a move like that, it tends to stir up some volume in other stocks, other tickers that start to pop up. So, recently we just got HKIT after hours yesterday popping up and making a continuation move. I did get some small green on this. Up about $38, $39 so far. I'm trading this, little pop here, trying to get some continuation in this area. I'm just on small size, just trying to get a nice little cushion to start the day. But we could have some more to go on HKIT. Let's see what we're looking at for HKIT. So it's at 770. So, we do have some decent room here on HKIT. It's a similar sort of chart pattern as we saw on HOLO, which is that similar sell-off and then, making a solid balance. We'll see how high this can go on HKIT. I would be, obviously very careful as well. Trading is risky. These stocks are very volatile. As fast as you can make it, you can lose it even faster, as we all have experienced before. So that's why it's important to maintain composure. We also have so HKIT. Let's take a look at the dilution tracker here. $5.57 million share float, so pretty decent. That's definitely considered a low float. 5.57 million. Potential dilution. I don't see any potential dilution upcoming in the near future. Within at least today. We did have a false breakout on the technical chart here. However, we're curling back up, so that's usually a good sign. Whenever we have false breakouts, but we're holding the lows, soaking at the lows and curling back up, it's usually a good sign that there's still some buyers willing to bid this up. So, very nice so far to see on HKIT. I think we could see more in it potentially, up to 8, 9, or 10. HOLO selling off from $50. HOLO curling back up for this break of this wedge pattern. Breaking out of this wedge pattern and holding that support as now support, previous resistance, now support. And do I think it's going back up to $50? If it does, it'll be very, very strong. I'm pretty much, if I was a betting man, I would say that the high is in on HOLO. We might see some range trades. We may see some dips, maybe some pops here and there. But I think for the most part, HOLO might have put in the high. But doesn't mean that we won't get sympathy on HKIT. or MLGO, which is another one popping up as well. This one also a similar chart, somewhat similar. So mega dump from $15 down to 37 cents and making a little bit of a reclaim off of the low. Topped out at 108, and the 180-day 200 EMA is at 108 as well. So that is going to act as a little bit of resistance. Just pulling this up here. So the 180-day 200 SMA is at 108. So it looks like we topped out there. We might have a little pullback and then a blast through that level. Hopefully, if that momentum is still there, if the volume is still there, we could see that as potential here for MLGO. I think if we can get back over $1, it's looking pretty decent. I think it's looking pretty decent. Have a quick backstop here at 99 cents. You know, catch that break of $1. If it's strong, it's going to rip right up to 108, 110, 120, 130, and get a nice move. And again, this would be considered a sympathy play on MLGO. XSTC, this one, potential sympathy, did have a little bit of a move. Potential sympathy on XSTC. Volume is a little bit lighter, but looks like we don't have news on it. But as far as chart patterns, I don't know. Actually, I don't like this one as well, but looks like 650. Looks like up here, potential, if we can get up there. I don't know if it's going to get that far, though, because this is, low volume, choppy. It's still holding up, so we'll see. I'll put an alert just in case, maybe 430. Break of the pivot. If I can catch the break of the pivot, we can hold highs here up in this area. We can see a potential move. BETS. XSTC also. Let's look at the float on this one. So a 500,000 share float, very small float. So just because of that on XSTC, this could definitely be in play. This could definitely be in play with the momentum that we've been seeing. So I'm definitely going to keep that on watch, keeping that on the side chart, XSTC. If you guys are just getting in right now, I did just go over, what was it, MLGO, potential, similar chart pattern, kind of holding its highs a little bit. If we can break back over $1 and see that move, then, we could see some nice momentum. BETS. So BETS, no news on it. Sub 1 million share float. So also going to be a contender, potential sympathy play. Break of 344, pivot point, and maybe a move up to 385 would be potential. But we'll see. We will see. We're quite a ways off of the 200 EMA. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see something on BETS. So it really depends where the volume is going to be. At the end of the day, it really depends where volume is going to be at the open. Wherever the volume is, that's where you want to be trading if you're a momentum trader. So while these may have upside potential, and the charts are looking okay, if there's no volume at the open, then it's not going to do much. So you want to follow the volume and follow the momentum. Trade the winning stocks of the day. What else we got? CCTG. This one, wow. monster move early in the morning here from $2 up to 12 bucks. Definitely signs that there's definitely some volume. There's definitely some momentum in the market still. We're moving at 4 in the morning from $3 to $12. That's crazy. Selling almost most of that move, but consolidating around VWAP. We could see maybe a break of 760 for a move back up, but I would be careful because we are quite a ways off of the high. So we could be getting that resistance that comes in at any point. You know, if you do break 760, maybe we break $8. But, you know, once we start to get into 850, you know, is this going to be strong enough to really reclaim these highs? Or is it going, or whoever's selling or shorting this going to jump in, adding to their position, or longs who are trapped selling their position for as break even as possible and then pushing the stock back lower? That's always the issue with these stocks that sell off too much off their highs, is you have trapped longs and you have shorts that are so much in the money that they're willing to average even lower into their position, adding into their winners for a continuation fade. So that's always the problem with these types of chart patterns. Bajas and bets. Yeah, bets has potential. Absolutely. Coming up at 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m., so we got 30 minutes to the open. Wow, bets could be taken off here. I definitely like the daily chart. Let's pull up the level 2 here. See if we can take maybe a couple stabs at it. $385 is the high. Let's see if I can get maybe a pullback to 350s. And I'll take a small position. Doesn't look like it wants to pull back. This would be a chase. If I were to buy up here, I'd be chasing it for sure. Okay, here comes a pullback. There's 55, 56. Where am I at? 54. You're gonna bounce. Backstop is 50. I should have held it a little bit more. Looks like we're finding some support there. Yeah, looks like we found some support right there. I cut it. I cut it too soon. I thought we were gonna break below 50. It's alright. I should have got back in too, but it's okay. I'm just going to sit tight here until the open. I don't want to trade any more pre-markets. I'm already at 67 orders. And definitely want to save most of my orders for the open. Yesterday I was over 400 orders. I definitely want to keep it under 500 today. But if it's active, I'm going to want to trade as much as possible. Because on the week, you got to keep it under 1,950 orders per week. So that gives me about maybe 450 today and 450 tomorrow. So I want to keep it tight. I don't want to be over trading pre-market. Could find some support here though. Backstop here maybe 40. 10-cent stop. Looking for the highs maybe. This could be the entry here. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Good thing I didn't buy it there. SYRA up 300%. What's this one? Buyout? Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, $1 to $5 in 3 minutes. $6. Oh my god. This thing's a fucking monster. Holy shit. Dude. The market is here, baby. Holy shit. Holy shit. This thing is just gone, dude. 500%, man, in like 4 or 5 minutes. Oh my god. All right. I bet you that Ross Cameron is absolutely slaying this. Announces partnership for the federal contract valued at $75 billion. This thing is going to take off. Not financial advice. I am not a licensed professional. Holy shit. Like, the crazy catalyst. This fucking float is like, all right, let's see the float here. Let's see the float. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Gotta stay calm, cool, collected here, especially when the market is this hot. Don't want to get overexcited, because if you get overexcited, you can be buying near the highs and getting a nice dump. So 2.18 million share float. Market's here, baby. Market is here. Hopefully this can hold up and give a nice second leg at the open. I'm not looking to trade this pre-market here. I don't want to get flustered. I don't want to ruin my emotional composure here on pre-market trades. I don't want to be over trading pre-market. While yes, I could be leaving some money on the table, my strategy is significantly worse performance pre-market. So I want to wait till I can sling those market orders at the open. So here's your first pullback. Wow, first pullback would have been a decent $1 bounce in like 30 seconds. Holy crap. Let's take a look at the daily charts here. Let's take a look at the daily. Wow. Are we at all-time highs? Oh my god, we're at all-time highs. Like, this is not resistance. There's no volume there. So we're at all-time highs. This is, honestly, I think I might just buy 100 shares and hold this, because what if this goes to 50? Like that other stock. That's like, might as well hold a freaking might as well hold a core position for the longer move. So holding highs here, very nice. Very nice to see that we're holding highs. Breaking out, $8. $8. Are we gonna break 8? 820, 840. Holy shit. This thing is gone, dude. Fucking send it. Fucking moon. Next stop, fucking moon. $9.54. My Jesus. Why didn't I buy that? Oh my God. Everyone, let's just I gotta calm down, stay cool, calm, collected. I get 20 minutes to get my shit together. And then we're gonna trade. I want to trade this so bad right now. I want to trade it so bad. Holy shit. Guys, if you want to like size up, like this is the market to do it. Like this is the market to do it. If you have a profitable strategy, this is the time to push it, to really size up. I might just do I gotta trade pre-market. We're gonna do like real tight risk here. 10 shares. I'm gonna do like 10 shares just to get a feel. Lag on that order. Holy shiitake. Come down again, please. Great. Great. Holy shiitake. We're going to 10. Not financial advice. This is not financial advice. I'm not a licensed advisor, so don't listen to me. Man, why the lag, man? Why the lag on these orders? Uh-oh. Come on. Let's see the bounce. Let's see the bounce now. All right. I'll take 69. And I should have held it. 30-cent spread on that, huh? Jesus. My Jesus, my Jesus. This isn't fucking nuts. I'm getting a lag on this whole freaking... Oh, shit. On this trade. That's probably why. Oh, my Jesus. I'm getting lag, I'm getting lag on the actual trade, so that's probably what it is. I need this to calm down here. I don't want it to break 10 yet until the open. I want to do a nice consolidation, and then we have a beautiful dip and rip. Got to be careful with the lag, though. If we get lag, it could really throw a wrench in everything. If we get lag at the open, because I need to be pushing a couple of thousand shares on this. Oh shit, I just bought the ask there. Come on, back over 8. Struggling there at 90s. Oh boy, here we come. Coming down. Gonna hold. I'm down 50 cents. Looks like we're holding. 41,000 share at 60. 41,000 shares at 60. I had to cut it in case we did see a flush. Oh my god. What the hell's going on there? Alright. I'm wasting orders here. I don't care. I'll get the warning. I'll get the warning. For today, I'll get the warning. I don't give a fuck. Today is a hot day. I'll trade all day. I'll trade 1,000 orders. I'll get the warning today. It's worth it. Looks like we're finding some support here. Not financial advice. Damn, there's a big ass seller still. Come on. Buy the bid, sell the ass. Buy the bid, sell the ass. Buy the bid. Come on. Only 8 shares. And I still sold that for a loss. I like that we're coming down though. I want it to come down. I want it to come down like this because we're very extended on the 5. Come on. Oh yeah, here we go. Come on. Come on. Break a 7. Break a 7. Let's go. Let's find that support, baby. Coming back down? No. Oh my goodness. Well. There goes my cushion. I had a beautiful trade there. I was in at 650 and then adding at 7. $1 to $10 and back to $6. Trading is risky. There goes my cushion today. So now we're under VWAP. We still have some ways to go down to the 5-minute, but watch it find support here as I'm finally stopped out. Come on. I still think this is going to be potential. I think it's strong enough to curl up the lows. Someone's saying Holo is moving. Oh, Jesus. How many orders I got? 100 and then 21 canceled orders. All right, SYRA. You kidding me? Straight up and straight down? No way. No fucking way. What is this? Finally getting to that 5-minute 90 MA, which is crazy. Watch this thing still curl up and break through 10. No way. This is rubber band effect on this one. Rubber band effect. This is insanity. Oh Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this thing. Or looks like we're finding some support here. Increasing volume on bottom and tail. This thing should see a small little bounce. Maybe 450. Come on. It's hesitating. Come on. Wow. Okay. All right, so I'll keep SYRA on the side charts, but yeah, the news on it is great. The news is fantastic. I still think it still has that potential. Like, we've seen stocks go like this and then absolutely just curl right back up if it's really strong. You know, this stock seems pretty strong. It just went from $1 up to $10. Clearly, it's still somewhat, you know, it still has that power in it. If we can curl back up, you know, we might be able to see a move, but I would be, you know, obviously be careful with that. I mean, there's nothing guaranteed. Always got to manage your risk. I gave back on the gains, the small gains that I had on HKIT on it, but you know, that's okay because I thought the potential for the reward was a lot greater. So at the open, I'll keep this one in the side chart, but I'm going to be looking at, let's see, I would say HKIT or BETS maybe, or MLGO. One of those three. Man, this one was really a fuck. This is tough. $1 to 9.8. Oh my god. Holo is still holding up. So I think I'm going to watch HKIT. at the open, but there's no guarantee this is the winner today. So I'm gonna watch HKIT. Hopefully you guys get some decent trades here, pre-market, or looking to capitalize on this momentum today. Market's pretty active. We don't have a clear winner yet, which is the problem. There's not a clear winner. A lot of stocks on the radar, but nothing that is obvious yet. So maybe HKIT is the one, maybe MLGO, maybe BETS, maybe HOLO again, maybe SYRA curls up. Who knows? Who knows? So just wait for the volume, wait for the clear winner, and just make sure you trade. Make sure you trade with proper risk management. Don't hold and hope. Don't average down. Keep your risk tight. So that's it. Hope you guys get green today. Stay disciplined. Stay patient. Day trading is risky. My results are not typical. All information for educational entertainment purposes only. I have no authority over your decisions. You're responsible for doing your own research before buying or selling. I am not a legitimate professional, licensed professional of any sort. So this is not legitimate tax, legal, or investment advice. Also, be wary of scammers and impersonators. I will never ask for money. So, thanks for tuning in for the recap or for the pre-market pump, and I'll see you guys on the recap. All right, take it easy. Good luck.